In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your Quotex account safely and quickly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the top right corner, you will notice that you have the deposit button. I want you to click on it because this will take you to the deposit page where you can choose your preferred payment method. Okay, so right here, you have the most popular. It depends on your region or country that you have associated during your registration. So you have the most popular right now on the country is Gcash, Pay, Maya. For example, if you use the ePay, these are going to be some of the electronic payment systems or online wallets that let you deposit money instantly without using a traditional bank. Of course, these are dependent on your country. You have the local bank. For example, if you want to use a Philippines QR banking, Visa, MasterCard, and of course, it also offers the crypto. So you have payments like Binance Pay, USDT, Bitcoin. Basically, there's a lot. Now, for example, we are choosing the, let's say, a bank. Let's say we're going to choose Philippines QR banking. This will forward you to the option that says to deposit a specific amount. For example, let's say we're going to choose in a specific amount here. If you have a bonus code, you can click the activate button. All right. And of course, all I have to do is proceed to pay. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the payout section and review all the information clearly. You have this deadline at the bottom until you finish this specific transaction, because once the transaction is successful, your deposited amount will instantly appear on your Quotex account balance, and of course, you are now ready to start trading. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to deposit money in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.